Hello guys! Welcome to another vlog. So we're here at Starbucks, SM City, Tarlac, enjoying the coffee and of course their pastries. And of course, syempre, to unveil our 2025 Sable Planner from Starbucks. So please keep on watching. Today, we were given a chance to unbox our planner mismo sa Starbucks SM Tarlac City. Super duper nag-enjoy ako at super duper thankful ako and grateful sa mga managers who allows me na mag-unbox doon. So yun na nga, we are doing the unboxing right now. So the Sable Planner for 2025 is not as good as what we had last year. So yung 2024 mas better for me. It's bigger, ganyan. But right now, what I like about this 2025 planner is syempre yung kanyang pouch. So it's really nice. May kasama tong pouch. So I have noticed lang din na instead of stickers, ang meron ngayon is yung star nila na parang bookmark. So it's not parang, it's actually a bookmark. Yan. So ang nagpaganda lang right now is yung, of course, like what I mentioned a while ago, is yung pouch niya. Super duper nice. The size is giving. Okay lang. Previously naman, mas maliliit pa yung mga planner nila. Yun nga lang, the color is a darker shade. Kaya sable siya. So, yung shade niya is darker and it's not the typical color na they do have. Nag-iisang color lang din ito. And inclusive niya, like what I mentioned a while ago, meron siyang star na, ayan, yung star na bookmark. And of course, the rose gold pen. So, yun. So, again, like what I mentioned a while ago, nag-iisa lang po yung color nito. At ang inclusive is a pouch, a pen, and a small star bookmark. Okay lang siya. It's not as bongacious last year na super ganda talaga. So, ngayon talagang mas maliit, handy siya. So, pwede mo lang siyang ilagay sa bag mo if you have a small bag. So, you can bring it along with you. So, yun lang yung kagandahan nito. But all in all, if I'm going to rate this, siguro 8 out of 10. So, yun. And if you want me to do a comparison video between the 2023, 2024, and 2025 planner, please do comment below. So, that's all guys. Bye!